Hey, welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're not receiving the DeepSeek sign up code. Now, if you use the web version here to sign up, you will see that they're having problems here at the top. They're saying it's malicious attacks on the DeepSeek servers. However, a lot of people are saying it's that many people are trying to get on, so they're having issues. However, that doesn't help you, and you need that code to sign up. I recommend trying the mobile app version to get that code sent successfully. Try signing in with Google or Apple if you feel comfortable doing that. Now, the last solution is if you have a VPN. Connect a VPN. A lot of people are saying to Japan. However, I found that Japan still didn't work and I still didn't get that code. I personally used India and that worked perfectly and I got the code. Now, here's a link in the description if you do want to use a VPN. However, as I said, hopefully you won't need to use a VPN and you'll be able to use the web or the mobile app. But at the moment, once everything has calmed down and DeepSeek has sort of left the news wires. However, that's the only way I got it to work at the moment, is using a VPN and using a different country's code. So hopefully that helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.